Hi friends, in this video I will show you 4 methods to fix unresponsive screen of Android mobiles. So let's start the video. In first method, restart your Android phone with power button. Hopefully unresponsive screen will work. In second method, remove screen protector from your Android phone and then check your phone touch screen. Screen protector may be stopped working, so removing screen protector can fix unresponsive touch screen issue. In third method, boot your Android phone in safe mode. It will stop running apps in background, so press and hold power button and then tap on power off option. Now release power off button and press the volume down button until your phone boots up. By tapping on power off option for a while, safe mode prompt will appear on some Android devices. And here you can put into safe mode. You can see, and if all these tricks not work, and if all these tricks do not work, last option is to factory reset your phone. However, it will delete all data on your Android phone. So first create backup of your data. In order to do this, go to settings of your Android phone and tap on system. Now tap on backup and reset. Here tap on erase all data. Confirm to erase all data. It will factory reset your Android phone. Hopefully by applying these methods, unresponsive touchscreen issue will be fixed. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you find any sort of trouble in doing this process, you can comment me. I will try my best to answer your comments. At the end, I request you please subscribe to my channel Technical Risers and turn on the bell notification for getting all notification of my this sort of technical video, and must hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Your one like is very useful for us.